I want to start my YouTube channel, but I am not sure that should I go for YouTube or not. Is it too late to be on YouTube? Or is it the YouTube best platform to show myself, to show my skills, to show my experiences, my knowledge, my personality? If these questions resonated with you, then stay until the end of this video, because in this video I will give you some of the information that you may need, that is the missing piece. It will help you to take the decision. Assalamu alaikum. My name is walidamaankhan. I am an entrepreneur and a public speaker. In this channel, I empower people so they can achieve their dreams and goals. Now, if you are a person who wants to achieve something in life, or if you are an entrepreneur, then I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will make videos that will help you to reach your goals faster. Now, this video is going to be an informative video. It will help you answer some of the questions that you may have regarding YouTube. Is YouTube the best platform? Or should I be on YouTube? What are the benefits I will get on YouTube? Or the main question, will YouTube increase? Will YouTube grow what I do, what I am looking for? Now, before we get into that, let's understand the importance of social media. What is the importance of social media in 2021? Now, social media is a marketing tool. It helps you put yourself out there for the whole world. To market your skills, to market your experience, to market your knowledge, to market yourself basically to the whole world. Now, and when you do that, what you get in return, you get connections, you get relationships with the people who like you, who trust you, who believes in the same thing that you do. Maybe these are the people, they need your help. Maybe these are the people who needs your skill. And this social media is a powerful form of capital. Powerful like financial capital and powerful like real estate capital. Now, the power of this capital is that it can be turned into a financial capital. You can hit multiple birds with this one stone. It helps you market your service, market your business, your hobby, your passion. It helps you build relationships for the long term. It's the best form to leverage your time. You use your time and you create a product once and you upload it on social media, and it can be there for many years. Now, having said that, the YouTube, it is the second most popular social media platforms out there, and it is the second most powerful search engine on the internet after Google. What it means is that you can make a video 10 years before, and right after 10 years somebody can search for your video and voila, he will get your video. So you put work once and it stays in there for lifelong. Now, 2.3 billion of people uses YouTube. Now, it is almost the half of population of the biggest continent of the world, Asia, which includes countries like Russia, China, and India. And it is a best form to entertain and educate people, because people, they like to watch videos. They like to watch videos that solves their problem. They like to watch videos that solve another problem, that is entertainment. And to the baseline that YouTube is a modern TV where you can put your own channel and you can show the world what you have, what you really got. Now, you may get very excited and you're thinking of starting your own channel, but there are some things that you need to keep in mind before you get started with YouTube. Number one, it is a social media platform. You need to socialize with people. You need to respond to their comment. You need to share them and ask for them about their feedbacks and all those things. And you do not need a lot of followers. You just need 1,000 true fans. You do not need 5k, 10k, 1 million followers. There are some channels that have 1,000 subscribers and they are doing really well. And all you will need is just to make a minimum of a 5-minute video twice a week to get the right attention from the right kind of people. Now you may have a desire to start a YouTube channel, and you also have the things that you need to keep in your mind. But let's look at the things that how you can turn this capital into financial capital, how you can use YouTube to make you money. The first way is to actually sell your services, is to generate lead. Now what do I mean by that, generate lead? I mean by that you can start relationship with people. You can tell your customers what service can you provide. For example, you are a guitarist and you play good guitar, and you can make videos such as learn guitar in 30 days, improve your guitar in 30 days, make your fingers used to guitar in 30 days. And what service can you sell on YouTube? That if somebody who wants to play guitar on birthdays, on marriage ceremonies, and you can provide the service, that personal coaching, just learn to play a beautiful song in the guitar for like in just a 1 week. Now that's number one way. The second way is to conduct an event. Let's say you are a realtor, you deal with real estate business, and you educate your customers about real estate, how real estate works. And after that, when you have your true fans, you can invite them to an event where you bring in more realtors and investors. And with that event, they will get the benefit and you will get the benefit. By conducting such events, you can actually make money. The third way is that you can promote. If you have a hobby, if you have some kind of passion, for example, if you're passionate about bikes, you can review its products, you can review bikes, you can review bikes spare parts. By this, you can actually affiliate market. You can market for other brands that are good out there, and you can make money. The fourth way is to make digital products. If you are a teacher, an English teacher, a mathematics teacher, you can make video lessons that help other people to get the foundation understanding, or to understand this subject at a very best level. And you can also offer them digital courses that can help them to get through a test. And last way is to earn money through Google AdSense. You can make a good video, and after that you will have a partnership with YouTube, that YouTube will play ads on your videos, and that's how you get paid. Now this all sounds really amazing, that how you start a YouTube channel, what you need to keep in mind, and how will actually YouTube help you. And you may also have some of the ideas by now, just right now, that you can apply, that you can help you, that YouTube can help you to grow or to execute that idea. But there are some requirements. When it comes to YouTube channel, when it comes to YouTube. And the number one requirement is that you need to be comfortable in front of a camera, in front of a video. And the second requirement is that you need some basic information on public speaking. Now, if you want me to make a video on public speaking for YouTube, let me know down in the comments and I will make a video for you. Now, the third requirement is that it takes time. It is actually gonna take time to build that channel, to build that followership, and you also need to have a message and opinion regarding a specific thing for a specific people. Now you cannot be general. It's like you are standing in a market and people are passing by you, and one time you're talking about one thing, and one time you're talking about this thing, and one time you're talking about this thing. Now different kinds of people will be on your platform, and the previous ones, they will move. You need to keep engaged one type of people, few people on your platform for as long as possible. And you need to be a problem solver. You want to help other people to reach a goal, to reach a point where they want to be. It could be through entertaining. People are frustrated, they are tired, So where you want to move them to? You want to move them to the next point, to the relaxed point, to the smiling point, to the entertaining point. You gotta solve a problem for them. People are stuck in some kind of problem in the middle of something. They're in kind of a journey, and you help them by getting out of that. You gotta be solving problems, some kind of problem. You gotta be solving. If you do that, you will get engagement much more faster. And this is the most important one. Now I want you to think about this. Now when you were a child, there are some few serials, there are some shows that you like a lot. Now one of the reasons could be because they were on every Sunday. They didn't miss even a single Sunday. You knew that every Sunday the show is on and you were out there and you're looking for that show. And that made you, that consistency made that show your favorite. So these are some of the requirements when it comes to YouTube channels. Now moving on to the last part of this video. And the last part is that there are fundamentals of everything. There are fundamentals of bowling. There are fundamentals of skills. There are fundamentals of every knowledge, every action. So what are the fundamentals when it comes to YouTube? Now I want to quote Michael Jordan here. He says that focus on the fundamentals, and the level of everything else you do will rise. So if you have decided to be on social media, then you need to know these fundamentals. What are these fundamentals of YouTube that will help you to have a strong start with your YouTube channel? And the number one fundamental is topic. What your video is going to be about. Are the people searching for this video or not? Is it trending or not? Is it good enough? It is related to your channel. And the second, when you have decided good title, the second thing is you need to work on your title. Your title, think of your title as a headline. A headline that can catch people's attention. A headline that the people can understand from whom you are making that video. The third fundamental of YouTube is thumbnail. Thumbnail is considered the packaging of your whole hard work of your video, of your product. It is like the packaging, and it is almost the 50% of your video. And the fourth fundamental of YouTube are keywords, are hashtags, are tags that you attach to your video, and you let the algorithm of YouTube to understand what is it in your video and to who your video YouTube should suggest your video to. And the last is that you need to do first 10 seconds of your video engaging. Now there are some tools that will actually help you to cover up these fundamentals. To have a video topic, you can use Google Trends and other videos that will help you to understand what's trending. And number two is to search a good title. You need to look at other videos that have what are the titles they are using. What are the videos that have maximum views? The third thing is that you need to make a good attractive thumbnail. You can use services like Canva and other websites, and to have good editing you can use any mode. And for hashtags you can use vidIQ. They have a good service for hashtags and other things. To edit your videos and make your videos good, you can use softwares like Filmora and Adobe Photoshop. So there you go. This is some of the important information that might have helped you. Now comment below. Did you like this information? Was it valuable or not? And what kinds of videos you want to see in the future? Comment below your feedback. And if you are delaying your YouTube channel, I have made a video on how to stop procrastination. The quality of video is quite low, but the content you will find really good content, and on that video it may help you to stop procrastination. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Thanks for watching.